viewers. This is Anchal Puri on Spotify with Taza Talks. Today we are welcoming our esteemed guest. She's a life coach और लाइफ कोच होने का मतलब यही है कि बहुत सारी जिंदगियों को कोच करती हैं सरिता दाबी जी हमारे बीच में ताजा टॉक्स के प्लेटफॉर्म पे ताजा टॉक्स के स्टूडियो में आ चुकी हैं. सो नमस्कार मैम.
Namaste. Thank you, Anchal, for inviting me, and I'm so grateful that I'm here.
I am honored to having you here.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, ma'am, what inspired you to step into the world of life and relationship coaching?
Yeah, honestly, my own journey inspired this path. I became life and relationship coach because I know what it feels like when you carry too much, when you feel stuck and you don't have any help around. So my story is at 18, I lost my father and I had to step up as the family's provider. Later, I got married, hoping to build my own family, but my dreams of the family was denied. So for years, I lived feeling invisible, exhausted, and disconnected from myself. You know, I was always putting everyone else first to make everyone happy around me. But in that experience, I realized I wasn't, I lost myself. And when I started to heal myself, I realized that I wasn't alone. I have seen so many intelligent, capable women around me who are feeling unseen, unheard, or guilty simply for wanting their own happiness, right? So I noticed that much of the struggle comes from not having the guidance, support, or simple tools to reconnect with ourselves. There is no, even if we talk to our friends or any of the family members, we always have that fear of being judged by others, right? So I wanted to create a safe and non-judgmental space where women could reflect, heal, and build clarity, confidence, and they should have that emotional safety, that sisterhood where they can go and talk and heal themselves along the journey. So I created the place where they can show up fully for themselves and for their loved ones without losing who they truly are. Because every woman during her process or her own journey of life, somewhere along the way, she feels that she has lost herself. So I'm just here trying to help every woman to empower herself within.
Wonderful, ma'am. At least बहुत सारे स्ट्रगल से बाहर आना ही अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी खुद के लिए सेल्फ कोचिंग है.
Right.
Right. So, ma'am, everyone wants confidence today, but बहुत सारे लोग इसके लिए struggle कर रहे हैं, right? So, what is your secret mantra for building unshakable confidence?
You know, confidence, when everyone talks about confidence, we feel like it's some big magical thing. You either have or you don't. But honestly, confidence is really about simple steps you take every day. So my personal mantra is be real and be kind to yourself. Accept yourself as you are. And slowly but steadily, you build that confidence. So for example, I also practice daily affirmations like I am enough just as I am. I accept myself for who I am. That gives you the confidence that is what people are seeking, like the unshakable confidence. Slowly but steadily, it will build. So I've seen many women feeling like they have to be perfect, ideal daughter, perfect wife, perfect daughter-in-law, always the strong one in the family. But confidence actually doesn't come from big achievements. It comes from the little things, for like speaking for yourself when it matters, saying no without feeling guilty, or even asking for help when you are feeling overwhelmed. So, for example, one of my clients, Meera, she always believed that her voice didn't matter. She was the perfect daughter in the family who would never speak up for herself. And everything was accepted or decided by others for her. So, but in somewhere inside, she always had that struggle that कि मैं अपने लिए नहीं बोल पाती हूँ मैम, तो मैं क्या करूँ, right? So I gave her a small exercise that first simple step you have to take is कि जैसे कोई पूछता है कि आज खाने में क्या चाहिए या मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या बनाऊं, तो हमारा जवाब होता है being a woman कुछ भी चलेगा, आप डिसाइड कर लो. So I gave her a simple task कि जब भी आपसे पूछा जाए family gathering में, come up with your own favorite dish. It was scary for her because उसने कभी अपने लिए कुछ बोला ही नहीं था. but wo she started setting, slowly started speaking for herself, setting small boundaries कि जब मुझे ना बोलना है तो मैं ना बोल रही हूँ. And she tried observing her own feelings, trusting her own feelings, and that gave her slow but steady confidence. So Meera slowly began, she started feeling confident. It wasn't about being loud or aggressive. It was being real and kind to herself. So I think these kind of daily practices, that's how you build your confidence.
What do you think is the biggest challenge people face in relationships? And how do you bring clarity to them?
See, the biggest challenge in relationship is whether it's a male or female, whenever you feel unseen, unheard, or invisible, that time you feel that कि अरे मेरे तो कोई सुन ही नहीं रहा, मुझे कोई देख नहीं रहा है. Right. And especially for women who have spent years putting everyone else first, वो जो self sacrifice का जो वो trend होता है हमें बचपन से, we have grown up or we have conditioned that way, right? So many of us grow up learning to sacrifice our needs because of family or a partner or in-laws, and over time we lose our own voice. So I help women find clarity by guiding them to reflect on what they truly want, like recognize their own unhealthy patterns. कि मुझे क्या चाहिए या मैं क्या फील कर रही हूँ, अभी मुझे ना बोलना है फिर भी मैं हाँ बोल रही हूँ. तो ये आप जब सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन करते हो तो स्लोली बट स्टेडीली आप अपने आप से रिकनेक्ट करना स्टार्ट कर लेते हो, राइट? एंड दैट विल हेल्प यू, दैट गिव्स यू काम विद इन. सो अगर आप अंदर से शांत हो और खुश हो तो डेफिनेटली यू विल हैव मोर हेल्दियर एंड सोलफुल रिलेशनशिप्स अराउंड पीपल अराउंड यू.
Right, absolutely right. So, ma'am, basically, healing is a powerful word, right?
Right.
In your definition, what does healing truly mean?
See, healing is definitely a very powerful word, but healing isn't about ignoring your own pain or rushing to feel better. कि नहीं मुझे heal होना है, मुझे तो immediate answer चाहिए मेरे problems का. But that's not how it works. It's a very deep, intense work. It's about facing your emotions, you giving yourself space to feel, and it's like accepting that it's okay not to be okay. Because हमको वो बताया गया है कि healing होना मतलब हमेशा खुश रहना, हमेशा happy रहना, but that's not how it works. Sometimes you have to be okay even if you are not okay. So accepting your own emotions and doing the emotional work, that is how it works. So it's like about the practical self-care, like setting up boundaries that will honor your energy, daily rituals that you follow which will nurture your body, mind and soul, doing daily gratitude practices, journaling your reflections before bed, because the many housewives or working women, they all are busy, right? So for them, I think शाम को या आप जब चाय पी रहे हो अपनी, या फिर just while before going to bed, whenever you find that quiet moments, that time you spend 5 to 10 minutes to do this kind of daily self-reflection. So these small consistent steps helps you to reclaim your inner peace, and that's actually is what I call my healing journey.
Okay. Can you share a moment where you felt, yes, I'm truly making a difference in someone's life?
Yes. So one moment that really stayed with me was when my client told me that because of you, I finally feel like I'm allowed to take care of myself. So she was a middle-aged woman, and ये सारे process में अपने लिए सोचना या अपने लिए वक्त निकालना, या मैं भी important हूँ, I matter, my feelings matter, ये सब हम भूल जाते हैं, right? So after doing my multiple sessions, she started taking small steps of self-care rituals. That can be a simple, like she was a child lover like me. So she started enjoying her own quiet time of having her chai in the evening and doing a basic skincare routine every morning and night. तो वो जब अपने आप को हम अहमियत देते हैं, अपना ख्याल रखने लगते हैं, तो धीरे धीरे क्या कहते हैं, ये स्लोली जो प्रैक्टिसेस होते हैं, दैट विल make her energy shift, her mood better, that will help her in overall life. And also
slow and steady wins the race.
Right, correct.
Okay.
So few months later, then she messaged me ki, how different she is feeling. She's feeling very happy, more lighter, more happier, and as I said, that she started feeling that her happiness also matters. So I think जब ये सब feedbacks आते हैं, तो that time I feel like I am making small differences in people's life, and that gives me a boost and inner satisfaction.
But I think जितनी देर से मैं आपको देख रही हूँ, आपकी स्माइल ही एक बहुत ज़्यादा बूस्ट दे देती है.
Thank you.
Right. So मैम, जब आपको आपके क्लाइंट्स ज्वाइन करते हैं, सबसे पहले एक्चुअली क्या डिस्कवर करना चाहते हैं? वो प्रोसेस क्या है जिससे आप उनको अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट कर लेती हैं, और आपको कैसे पता चलता है कि इसको इस प्रॉब्लम है, इसको इस प्रोसेस की जरूरत है, इस थेरेपी की जरूरत है?
एक्चुअली जब क्लाइंट्स आते हैं, हमारे अपने इतनी उलझने होती है कि हमको बहुत क्विक फिक्सेस चाहिए होते हैं, या हम सोचते हैं कि मुझे ऐसी कोई एक एडवाइस मिल जाए जिससे मैं अपना लाइफ का प्रॉब्लम ठीक कर लूं, राइट? वेदर इट्स रिलेशनशिप, करियर, कम बैक, और मैनेजिंग योर स्ट्रेस और कॉन्फिडेंस. सो लोगों को लगता है मुझे कोई क्विक फिक्स मिल जाएगा, बट कोचिंग इज नॉट अबाउट लाइक क्विक फिक्सेस. इट्स अबाउट the daily practices and the strategies and tools and exercise which will help you to rediscover yourself, and that's a very deeper and more transformative journey. So when we start getting into the sessions, we talk about their scenarios and what they are trying to seek, and slowly when I start asking questions, initially some of them may get uncomfortable क्योंकि हमने कभी अपने बारे में इतना सोचा नहीं होता. But then they realize later in the session that these kind of simple tools, like reflections, journaling, affirmations, boundary setting exercises, self-care routines, these practices actually help them to reconnect with their own needs, their feelings, and their desires. So it's not about कोई मैजिक होगा या ओवरनाइट कुछ चेंज मिलेगा या आपको कोई क्विक फिक्स मिलेगा, like 3 simple वो होते हैं ना कि 3 points to learn confidence, वो ऐसे नहीं आता.
ओवरनाइट मिरेकल तो वो भी नहीं,
ओवरनाइट मिरेकल तो नहीं हो सकता, राइट? तो जब हम अपने आप पे काम करते हैं, तो by end of the day we realize that it's about the self discovery. The real clarity comes when you accept yourself and start your inner work. That's when the self discovery comes.
Right. So what is the most common feedback you receive from your clients after the session?
कि मैं बहुत लाइट फील कर रही हूँ, मैं सबसे बात कर तो रही थी, पर मुझे कोई परफेक्ट एडवाइस नहीं मिल रहा था, या तो मेरी कोई सुन ही नहीं रहा था. आई नेवर फेल्ट दैट समवन इज एक्चुअली लिसनिंग टू मी. तो हमको क्या चाहिए होता है, यूजुअली समवन शुड लिसन एंड वी शुड फील दैट वी हैव बीन हर्ड प्रॉपर्ली. सो दैट्स हाउ द सेशन स्टार्ट्स, एंड लोगों को बहुत लाइट, और उनको लगता है कि यस, नाउ माय लाइफ इज इन माय कंट्रोल. Now I can take up charge of my life. I'm not dependent on anyone. So these kind of feelings often people share after the session.
Okay. So ma'am, out of clarity, courage and confidence, what should come first and why?
I think definitely the clarity. Because when you don't know what's really going on inside, your true feelings, your needs, your limits, it's hard to find the courage and the confidence to take action, right? So unless you process your feelings, unless you understand what's holding you back, whether it's a limiting belief, a fear, or an old habit. So once you do the inner work, you get clarity on your feelings, and that gives you a real sense of relief and direction. So from that clarity, definitely the courage will follow. The courage to say no, to speak up, to ask for help, to take stand for yourself, and which will lead you in doing the actual work, the actions. So the small steps will help you to boost your confidence over the time. For me, definitely the clarity is the first, and then the courage and confidence.
Right. So, ma'am, for you personally, what defines success? Material achievements or inner peace?
Definitely, for me, true success is definitely the inner peace, because achievements like promotion, a degree, or reaching to a big goal, that feels good for a moment, but they don't last long. Especially if you have so much of self doubt, guilt, or you are exhausted emotionally, right? So I remember one of my client, Anjali, who spent years chasing career success because she believed that अगर मुझे ये प्रमोशन मिलेगा तो मैं ज्यादा वर्दी फील करूंगी, मैं ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट पावरफुल फील करूंगी. एंड उसको वो प्रमोशन मिला भी बिकॉज शी रियली वर्क वेरी हार्ड फॉर इट. But over the time, instead of feeling happy, she started feeling more stressed or guilty कि वो अपने फैमिली के साथ ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड नहीं कर पा रही है. And somewhere inside, she was still unsure about herself, कि what I'm trying to achieve. So when we spoke, right, and I asked her, I do one small practice in one of my deep sessions that is called finding your inner joy. So we did that exercise where we spent good amount of time trying to understand what gives her joy. So, and that journaling helped her to reflect on her emotions. And so when she realized, when we came up with a good list, she started taking some time for her own enjoyment. Like, for example, she used to like to paint, but during her when she was young girl, that was one of her hobbies, but that got lost during the process. So she and I know that painting, to start a painting for a painter who has not touched the brush for years, it takes a lot of time to reconnect, restart. So first though, we started with after doing the joy exercise, we did almost like 7 days. We did the gratitude practices, and after completing the gratitude practices, she started the painting with a small, like a painting a small flower. And slowly she started feeling very happy that yeah, now I feel more connected to my own needs. And my mood is also good, because somehow, even though I am on a busy schedule, work schedule, because she has to manage her work and her family as well, so somehow she was able to manage the time for herself, and that gave her so much happiness that she realized that true success is feeling more control of her life and feeling calm from within, instead of running behind the external achievements. So to conclude, I would say that real success is like waking up every day and feeling at peace with yourself. उसके लिए आपको कोई बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट्स नहीं चाहिए होती, बस एक छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स लेने पड़ते हैं टुवर्ड्स लविंग एंड एक्सेप्टिंग yourself for who you are.
Right, बिल्कुल. So, ma'am, now let's go for rapid fire round.
Okay, sure.
So it's like one word for love.
Connection.
A quick shortcut to confidence.
Just show up for yourself even when you don't feel ready.
A morning habit you never skip.
I am a big time chai lover, so daily 5 minutes of journaling over a cup of my masala chai.
Great. आप खुद बनाती हैं?
Yes.
Okay. Relationship advice in just 3 words.
Talk, listen, and respect.
Coffee or green tea?
चाय.
Okay.
वैसे आपके ऑप्शंस में मसाला चाय था नहीं.
Acha. Okay. A book that changed your life.
The Untethered Soul by Michael Singer. It taught me how to let go of my emotional pain.
Okay. The real secret of happiness.
Letting go of expectations from others.
Very nice. ये मैंने अभी अभी शुरू किया.
Right.
One thing everyone should avoid in life.
Self-abandonment, ignoring your own feelings.
If not a coach, what would you be?
I would be a storyteller because I feel that every woman's story is worth hearing.
Yeah, right. And lastly, one message for our listeners that could truly change their lives.
I would say that कि आपको दुनिया को खुश करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अपने दिल की सुनो, अपनी जरूरत को पहचानो और अपने लिए खुद की जगह बनाओ. अपनी हैप्पीनेस आपको खुद ही ढूंढनी पड़ती है. So start small, start now, and always remember that you are already enough. क्योंकि वो जो feeling होती है that I am not enough, that leads to many problems in life. So start saying every day that I am already enough. I will give you one quick affirmation. Every day, stand in front of the mirror and say it loud that I am whole, perfect, and complete. And feel that energy within you, and then start your day. And then you see how you interact with others and how you interact with your own self and how you handle your life.
Great, ma'am. So, ma'am, आपसे कनेक्ट करने के लिए कैसे कनेक्ट करना होगा हमारे व्यूअर्स को?
So I already have my Instagram handle, so you can DM me there, and then we can take it further from there.
Right. हम लोग एपिसोड के लिंक के अंदर उसको शेयर कर देंगे.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you very much for coming to our platform, and it's really having you here. बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. It's really honor for me, and thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for calling me. Thank you. It's been a pleasure talking to you.
Yes. So viewers, आपने देखा, it was really incredible journey of Sarita Davi ma'am, and link share कर देंगे एपिसोड रिलीज होते ही. So please लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, कमेंट कीजिएगा, और अगर अच्छी लाइफ को चाहती हैं तो सरिता जी को प्लीज कनेक्ट कीजिएगा हमारे ताज़ा टॉक्स प्लेटफॉर्म के जरिए. एंड उनसे कनेक्ट करने के लिए लिंक के अंदर, एपिसोड के अंदर आपको उनका लिंक दे दिया गया है, इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल. Thank you very much. Thanks. Stay tuned.